I thought green card holders were legal. Yes, green card holders are legal. As a matter of fact, they can live here permanently. They could work here permanently. They can file for family members and bring them to the United States permanently. They can travel with restrictions. And there are other restrictions. They cannot vote. They cannot stay outside of the United States too long. I've been sharing that it's not advisable during this time for green card holders to play the game of living in another country and coming here maybe once a year. They cannot stay outside of they should not stay outside of the United States longer than 6 months. If they need to stay outside of the United States longer than a year, there's a process that allows them to do that. They would have to apply for a re-entry permit, and it's renewable as well. So there are rights, a lot of great rights that green card holders have, but then there are limitations. I've covered these issues in a recent video on McBean Immigration TV, so you could watch that video for more information. In a nutshell, though, think about the fact that if a green card holder commits a crime involving moral turpitude, well, that person can lose his or her green card. If that green card holder committed fraud to get the green card and the government discovers this later on, the government can put that person in removal proceedings. If the green card holder stayed outside of the United States too long, the government can consider that person to have abandoned their residency and then place them in removal proceedings, or trick them at the airport as they're trying to come back in, trick them at the airport to sign a certain form that would basically give up their residency status. And this does happen to some green card holders. So guys, these videos are to educate, inform, and warn. Okay, that's what this is all about, to sound an alarm and educate you so that you do not end up in the unfortunate position of having to fight for your green card in removal proceedings. So, but remember, you are legal, absolutely, but be responsible with your green card.